Sì, questo non è il paradiso. Dove alto è? Sometimes I really have to remember where I am actually and how much beauty is just a few steps from the house. So now here is that heavy, massive, but very good quality door out of oak wood, I guess. People in the village gave it to me to reuse, which is quite nice because it's including the frame. That makes things easier. But there is a big difficulty that was occurring. Okay, so first I realized, of course, the door has not the right measurements. I have to narrow the whole thing, which is cutting the frame and the door in half vertically. Yes.
No, Marino, non ce l'abbiamo.
Das ist so. Etwa so. Genau, dass es sich öffnen kann. Und I try to measure it very conscientiously and concentrated, but sometimes when things really count, I don't know what, I get nervous and guess what? I just cut out too much, like 3 centimeters were missing. I realized, like, in shock when I put the frame on the floor and I just tried to fit in both parts of the door, the halves of the door. Crazy. This really gives me doubts about my capacity. And yeah, I had to face the consequences. And as you can imagine, to now add those missing parts, like quite small parts, how could I manage that the whole weight of the door is going to be supported? I decided that the whole middle part that was done with wood is going to be replaced by glass because I also want the light to enter from the side. So this episode, it's probably just going to be called The Story of the Door, or let's say maybe the second door, because the first front door, the beautiful new one, of course, is perfect. This story is not entirely at its end, but I just need a break and I'll go to order the glass. So probably with a little bit of time distance, I can bring it to a good ending.